This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max B, and it just might be the most cursed, most overpowered, and most overcompensating iPhone Apple has ever dared to leak. I'm not saying it's a bad phone. I'm saying it looks like the kind of device you buy at midnight and regret by sunrise. So buckle up, because this one's got sky blue aluminum, spy grade camera upgrades, a horizontal lens array that broke Reddit, and a chip so fast it needs actual vapor cooling. And yeah, if your wallet just flinched, same. Let's start with the design, because Apple clearly had a midlife crisis on this one. Forget titanium. Apple's allegedly ditching it. We're going back to aluminum. But not just any aluminum. Top half aluminum, bottom half glass. Yes, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is now a mullet. Business on top, wireless charging party underneath. But wait, there's more. Rumors say Apple's slapping on a camera bump so wide it should come with its own warning label. We're talking horizontal layout, possibly rectangular, possibly oval, possibly... What in the Photoshop is this? Kind of vibes. Some say it's for spatial video, others say it's for the drama. I say it's because someone at Apple lost a bet. The bump allegedly hosts 348 megapixels lenses in wide, ultra wide, and for the first time ever, a 48 megapixels telephoto. That's triple the megapixels, triple the processing, and probably triple the Instagram thirst traps. The telephoto is rumored to offer a shorter 3.5x optical zoom instead of 5x, supposedly to improve portrait shots. Which makes sense, because if you've ever zoomed in at 5x, you know it turns your friend's face into a CSI crime scene. And let's not forget the new front camera, 24 megapixels, that's right. They doubled the megapixels just so you can live stream your emotional breakdown in crisp cinematic 4K. Thanks, Apple. Under the hood, it's running the A19 Pro chip built on a 3nm N3P process, which basically means it's a speed demon with better efficiency and more reasons to overheat. But don't worry, they're slapping on vapor chamber cooling because this isn't a phone anymore. It's a pocket gaming rig. Also 12 gigabytes RAM, which means this iPhone might finally stop reloading your apps the second you switch to TikTok. Growth. Now let's talk display, because everyone's getting 120 Hertz promotion now. That's right, no more Pro exclusivity. Even the iPhone 17 and the new iPhone 17 Air are reportedly getting those silky smooth refresh rates. Equality, baby. But wait, plot twist. Some leakers say only the Pro models will get adaptive refresh rates down to 1 Hertz, which is required for always on display. So promotion for all, but always on for the rich. Classic Apple move. Also, Apple was planning to drop a scratch-resistant anti-reflective coating, but the manufacturing apparently said, nah, too slow, too hard, too ambitious. So yeah, still shiny, still smudge-prone, still anxiety-inducing without a case. Now for something we didn't ask for but secretly love, reverse wireless charging. Yup. Apple might finally let your iPhone charge your AirPods or Apple Watch, like a digital sugar daddy. A test prototype showed 7.5 watts of reverse juice, which is low-key impressive, considering we've been asking for this since iPhone X. Charging overall still maxes out at 35 watts wired and maybe 50 watts wireless via Qi 2.2, depending on how Apple feels that day. But don't hold your breath. They'll probably lock the speed behind a new $79 MagSafe puck. Battery life might see a solid bump though, literally, because the iPhone 17 Pro Max is reportedly thicker than before. Apple's apparently stuffing in a bigger battery and using a new electric adhesive removal system, making it easier for your future self or your local sketchy repair guy to replace. Now, if you thought Apple was done, brace yourself, because we might get dual video recording 8K video and a mechanical aperture in the main camera. Let's unpack. Dual video means you can shoot with the front and rear cameras at the same time. For creators, huge. For FaceTime chaos, even better. 8K video, because why not film your cat in resolution that can expose its soul? And a mechanical aperture means actual control over depth of field. That's DSLR territory. You'll be shooting bokeh like it's a cinematic war zone. Connectivity-wise, it's still rocking Qualcomm's 5G modem, but with Apple's own Wi-Fi 7 chip, finally. Expect faster speeds, less lag, and the warm, fuzzy feeling of knowing you're not stuck on 2022's wireless tech. Wi-Fi 7 supports speeds up to 40 gigabytes per second, which is more than your router can handle, but it's the thought that counts. Also onboard, Bluetooth 5.3, custom Apple wireless integration, and future-proof energy efficiency for all your connected chaos.